So in last night's game plan, I made it very clear that we were planning to automatically buy call options on the SPY if it drops to 608.50. The level I gave you to automatically buy calls was the exact lows on the day. In terms of the trades that I ended up making at that overall level, I ended up buying SPY 609 calls at 49 cents a contract at 2:23 p.m. So if you go to 2:23 p.m., this is where I ended up buying the calls at the exact lows. A minute after I got in this trade, it went from 48 cents to 90 cents. And these contracts had the largest spike in volume throughout the entire day, just a minute after we got in. And then in terms of the next trade, I ended up buying SPX 6110 calls at 250 cents at 2:23 p.m. And when I bought these SPX calls, you're going to see right here, it was at the exact fucking lows. I got in right here at the exact lows, just like I did on the SPY calls. And this trade went up even more. It went from 250 to 600 in a single fucking minute. And in terms of the overall close, it was a strong bullish trend day. It's a good thing we were focused on buying call options at those oversold dips, because these contracts ended up closing at 1,800 a contract, and we were buying at the exact lows in the 200s. And the SPY calls that we were buying in the fucking 40s closed at 230 a contract. So with that being said, you would think that buying those calls towards the exact lows would be enough winning, right? But nope. G-Roar ended up coming in during the power hour trading session, and he ended up giving out one of the best trades on the day. In terms of the power hour trading session, man, this is the power of trading during the power hour. Within just 7 minutes, we ended up making a 1,000% return on this overall trade. We ended up buying 6115 SPX calls for 155 cents a contract. Imagine risking $155 to make $1,000 in less than 7 minutes on the day. We ended up selling those calls at 1,000 cents. As you can see, if you go to SPX 115 calls at 3:51 p.m., this is where we ended up buying those calls at the exact lows. And they ended up closing at 1,400 a contract. So, in terms of the new game plan, let's get straight into the fucking money. This is going to be very simple, man. In terms of the new game plan, you're going to be seeing that what I'm planning to do is buy SPY call options if we are gapping up or holding above 610.50. So in terms of the overall levels, this is what I have for you, and this is what I need you to keep an eye on. So in terms of the levels, we're going to start from the ground up. If we are opening up flat, or if the SPY is holding 610.50 with bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, I'm going to be buying my SPY call options towards the 610.40 level. Previous resistance to react to support, break, and retest towards this 610 overall 40 level. You can also keep an eye on 610 as well. There was some resistance right here, strong breakout, hasn't retested, right? But I'm telling you, what's going to be a very special level is that like 610.70, 610.50. If you've been paying attention to the information I've been fucking giving you, I've been telling you the extended hours levels have been working amazing for short-term reversals and for break and retest levels, right? So we had this support during the extended hours at 1070. Then we had a strong breakout. And then you could see there was resistance at 610.70. And now we have a strong breakout. And now we got some higher support towards 610.90. So if I'm seeing bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations on a gap up, I'm going to be buying call options slightly at the higher level. That would be the strong recommendations in terms of call options. In terms of the highest level I would really consider to keep an eye on would be at 611.50. You can see we got some resistance at 611.50, right? And now we're having a breakout towards those new all-time highs. The highest break and retest level is going to be 612.30. That's going to be more advanced and more complicated. Like I told you, on the higher levels, you're going to want to use the overreaction to the upside to the overreaction to the downside strategy. So if the SPY is having like a 2.5 to 3, if the SPY is having a 2.5 breakout above one of those levels and it drops back down and you're seeing the bullish confirmations, buy fucking calls at the higher fucking levels, right? If we're gapping up, you can focus on the higher levels as well. But if we're gapping up, the oversold levels are going to be more of the easy money and less of a confirmation. Always focus on those confirmations at higher levels, unless there's like a strong specific reason. Like I said, man, as of lately, the extended hour levels have been working phenomenal. So I really encourage you to look at that 610.90 and 610.70 overall zone. That's the game plan for the fucking calls. If you're fucking crazy enough to go with the 612.30 level, then you need a 2.5 breakout at the minimum, drop back down. You could try on the retest, encouraged to use confirmations, but overreaction to the upside, overreaction to the downside has been working very well. But the easy money has been in those oversold levels and oversold dips, right? Now, let's discuss bear territory. So in terms of the bearish territory, I'm going to be very bearish if we gap down. If we gap down heading into tomorrow, I'm very fucking bearish, right? So we ended up closing at 611.50. If we're gapping down and we are dropping below that 610 overall level, we're not having the break and retest. We're going below 610. We're reacting bearish and we're gapping down. Specifically, we're gapping down. I'm going to be on the bearish side and I'm going to try puts if 610.50 to 610 is breaking below the inverse of the breakout and retest. Call that the breakdown and retest, right? If we're breaking down below the level, spike back up, react as a resistance, form the fucking lower highs, then I'm going to be buying the fucking puts at those fucking levels, especially if we gap down. In terms of the easy money for the fucking puts, we need to gap down. The easy money for the fucking calls, we're going to need more of a gap up, but calls is going to be fairly easy as well, as long as we're just maintaining above the previous closing price. Like I said, if we're opening up flat, it's going to be more make or break. But if we have that gap up, overreaction to the downside, previous closing price, calls. If we're having a gap down, overreaction to the downside, previous closing price, and then towards 610 as well, puts. Just understand, man, gap the fuck down, 610 resistance, smashing fucking puts. In terms of the difficulty for puts, it's going to be a flat open. It's going to be a bit more difficult to trade if the market is opening up flat, right? The easy money that I'm seeing is a gap up, focus on calls, gap down, focus on puts, especially puts if we gap down. Just understand with the information that I provided to you that that previous closing price, we're not even going to go with the previous closing price. We're going to go with that level, that fucking level I gave you, man. The make or break level is the 610. If 610 reacts bearish, breakdown and retest, it is fucking bearish, hit the puts. As long as we hold above 610, all I'm fucking doing is calls. As long as we stay above 610, I'm finding a way at my fucking levels with my information to use my fucking confirmations to hit fucking calls, right? That's the fucking game plan. We're going to know the exact strikes to buy. We're going to time it fucking perfectly. We're going to use the fucking confirmations. We're going to use the fucking information. We're going to print like fucking crazy tomorrow. We are just getting started with multiple 100% profit returns on SPY and SPX in a single fucking minute, with 1,000% fucking return on SPX in 7 fucking minutes during the power hour trading session, giving out the fucking game plan where I'm going to be automatically buying the fucking calls a day before in advance. Yes, we are just getting fucking started. Welcome to the week. We are just getting fucking started. They fucked us with a short fucking week. Well, we're not selling ourselves fucking short. We're all fucking in. You understand? Are you fucking with me? We're going to fucking war tomorrow. We're going to win. We're going to print like fucking crazy. So, here's the deal. If you want to print with us at the speed of fucking light and gain access to the best fucking trades in real fucking time, you know, it's one thing to give people the best fucking level to buy calls automatically, but it's a whole other fucking thing to trade that fucking level, select the best fucking asset class to fucking buy that is cheap, low risk, far out of the fucking money, biggest percentage gains, time the trades fucking perfectly, follow through with the fucking plan. If you want to fucking trade alongside us and print at the speed of fucking light like fucking crazy, it is going to be the first link down below within the description. As you can see, in terms of our secured private organization, it is just unlimited fucking winning, man. It is non-stop fucking winning, man. Look at this. 42% profit return on their fucking account. At the end of the fucking day, losing and going red is a personal fucking choice. You know? Winners, they fucking win. He's right. Winning's a fucking choice. If losing's a fucking choice, so is fucking winning. It's just you have to know how to fucking win. And then you have to figure, first you're going to have to fucking lose to figure out how to fucking win. That's how shit fucking works, man. You need a lot of fucking experience. So, anyways, man, I'm just showing you. The level and the bars are up fucking here. You understand? 18 fucking $1,000 profit in a single fucking day? It's like, dude, I try to tell people, you look at the fucking chart on our fucking trades, SP fucking X, this is the fucking chart. Do you see the fucking chart? Let's make this very fucking clear. This is the chart on SPX. For those of you who never been in a trade like this is what a 1,000% gain looks like trading options in 7 fucking minutes. Now this is what it looks like on your fucking portfolio. It is a straight fucking line up from going far out of the money to in the fucking money where your fucking account is up 200 fucking percent or 18 fucking $1,000. Congratulations. You just earned yourself a stay in here if you keep that fucking money and stay fucking consistent and do not fucking risk and make the fucking mistake of fucking full reporting. You can stay in here in terms of what we fucking charge. You can stay in here for the next 10 fucking years. Yes, in one single fucking trade, this member can stay here for the next 10 fucking years if he keeps it. Right? And we explain to people how to fucking keep it. We teach them the risk management. We create strategic systems to make everyone money. It's not just buy and sell fucking alerts. Big shout out to DF. Very consistent, amazing improvements. He's been fucking crushing it, man. I'm telling you, it takes time to figure out our format. Some people, they're going to give up. Some people, they're going to realize it's not for fucking them. But at the end of the day, people join, they figure it out, and it works. It's not going to work for fucking everyone, but it works. And when you have something, and you know you have something, and it's working for other people, then just stick with fucking that and just keep on fucking improving. And that's exactly what the fuck we do, man. We are always getting better. We are trading the best fucking asset class. Far out of the money option contracts is the best trading strategy you can possibly optimize for those of you who trade with real fucking money. Pay less, risk less, make the biggest percentage gains. Like I told you, those are the strikes that I went with, So that's what we fucking did today. If you would like to trade alongside us and witness our trades in real fucking time, what strikes we're buying, where we're fucking exiting, in terms of the exits, I'll show you. This is what I ended up doing. I bought these calls at 250 cents on SPX. I bought these SPY calls at 49 cents. I ended up selling half, 440 a contract, and I left 50% to ride. The other 50%, I ended up selling at 700 fucking cents. 2 to fucking 7 is 250 fucking percent. The speed of fucking light. And then in terms of the SPY calls, I ended up selling at 113 a contract, man. So we absolutely fucking crushed it using the fucking game plan. In a single fucking minute, they went up 100 fucking percent. A single minute after we bought those fucking calls, it was the biggest spike on the fucking options. Do you think that's by accident? Do you understand this secured private organization? Do you understand what we've created? People truly don't understand in terms of like who we are and what it is that we do and that we're truly running this game. Some people don't understand. And that's just for them to see and for them to awaken to, right? So anyways, that's what the fuck we did. And this is what we do. We trade in real time. We give our members all of our trades in real time. And we have money-making systems that can consistently make you money. And you can learn from our format by trading alongside us, right? In terms of these prices moving, these are the option quote prices moving in real fucking time. All the work is literally done for you, but you have to apply yourself and you get what you put into something. So if you put yourself into this and apply into this, you're going to gain results and you're going to become better at trading. Traders, you want to know what they fucking do? They trade. That's what traders focus on. Traders focus on trading, right? This is what we fucking do, man. We trade nonstop. We win nonstop. We strategically create the best money-making game plans and levels to be trading at every single fucking day. At the end of the day, you're not going to find a better game plan and better levels than my fucking levels. But we don't just do that. We trade at our fucking levels. And we use confirmations. Now, if it's an auto buy level like yesterday, then I'll just automatically get in, And that serves a strong purpose to give your plan in advance. It gives time for members to prepare for what's to come at the overall levels. And they know to have their option chains open and fucking ready, man. Like I said, it's one thing to just alert your trades, but it's another thing to give your plan and your information before you make the fucking trades. And then people start to realize, oh shit, these people are actually running the game. And then what they do is they try to take our information and they try to copy and steal our fucking shit and start our fucking business. This is why we say, who the fuck do you know prints like us at the speed of fucking light? Everything we do is 100% real fucking time. I give you the fucking map. I give you the fucking blueprint to fucking win. Because at the end of the day, I don't want to just win. I want you to fucking win, man. This is what we fucking do. It's unlimited fucking printing and it's unlimited fucking winning non-fucking stop. Nobody fucking prints like us. Nobody is fucking doing what we are fucking doing. We give the game plan far in advance so everyone's fucking prepared on what the fuck to do, and we make the trades in real fucking time. And we have a strategic system where people can trade alongside us, make money, learn how to trade by fucking trading. That's the secret to fucking learning how to trade, is to fucking trade, right? But you don't want to be fucking blind. You need some sort of information, third fucking eyes, open, mind open, learning new things along with through your experience, right? And your perception and how you view and trade the overall market with your experience and trading with your intuition. This is what the fuck we do. You understand? We were chosen to do this. And if you want to see us trade in real time, it's the first link down below within the description. It's going to blow your fucking mind, man. Some people are going to be like, dude, how the fuck is this possible? Is this fucking magic? How the fuck are they doing this? Like I said, man, you don't know shit until you run in shit. So, it's the first link down below in the description if you want to make fucking money and see something real. You're going to see, man. You're going to fucking see. It's going to be unlimited fucking printing. We're just getting fucking started, man. They fucking, Monday, the fucking market was closed. Fuck that. We come in strong, and we're going to finish even fucking stronger. We're just getting fucking started. That was the warm-up. That was the fucking warm-up. You know? Who the fuck do you know showed you that shit? Who gave you the level? Who gave you the plan? Who made the trades in real fucking time? Who made the best fucking trades with the best fucking strikes, far out of money, selling deep in the fucking money, biggest percentage gains in the quickest period of fucking time? Who the fuck do you know is showing you this? Who fucking prints like us, man? It's the first link down below within the description, man. I'm telling you, you're gonna find anything else. You ain't gonna find anything else out there like this, man. If you're looking for the real fucking deal, you know where it's at. It's the first link.